Battery replacement on MSI G63 Fin 11UC-019PH laptop. Thank you, Sir Axelrod, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for a battery replacement is a wise and practical choice. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools required to perform the replacement safely and accurately, minimizing the risk of damage to your device. They can ensure that the replacement battery is of high quality, compatible with your laptop, and installed correctly to maintain its performance and longevity. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your battery replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.